Obanku Kwezon. Emudo Kwenu. Newe Kwenu. Aninri Kwezon. Newe Dumoma. Aninri Dumoma. Enugu State Dumoma. Emudo Kwenu. Emudo Kwezon. Nice one. Eboh. Ato, moru la kanu ato na eboh, ato.
Welcome to our channel.
Yes, guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yes, we are so excited to have you. Today is Sunday, and we are doing a quick visit to one of the communities in Enugu State. I know my people from Enugu will be very excited about this. Yes, we just closed from church. We want to do a quick trip to Aninri local government, Upanku precisely. I hope I got that pronunciation right. Upanku, the community of Upanku precisely. We're actually going there. It's one of those communities in Enugu State that is known for rice production, just like the people of Abakaliki. Yeah, land there are some rice processing plants there, and they do rice farming there. So we'll do a stop by at my friend's place. He's doing his payment of diary today. Yeah, one carrying today. So I'm also going to do a short video of the Igbo system,
especially from the groom's point of view. Let's see what it's like.
Yeah, let's anticipate it as we go.
So guys, if it's your first time on our channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, guys. I'm seeing all your comments. Thank you so much, we appreciate it. So guys, let's hit the road.
So guys, we are in Aninri local government already. We just did the diversion coming from Port Harcourt Express now. I think it's the third diversion after the NYSC junction. If you are coming from Enugu, the next one is what leads you into part of Aninri local government in Enugu State. So we are trying to head straight to Opanku community. So guys, it's a quite interesting journey. Like all of these junctions we are passing, there are joints where they sell palm wine and sell bushmeat. So if you are coming towards this direction, guys, you can as well stop by to chill with the palm wine and chill with the bushmeat, as the case may be. So guys, if you are from Aninri local government in Enugu State, please do well to rep your location. I know you guys are sharing border with what's it called? This other local government close to Ogu local government. So you can as well also rep your location in the comment section. If we are passing through your village in this trip, do well to also tell us, oh, that is my village in this place. So guys, let's get to meet the couple.
Okay, my name is Miss Cynthia.
Okay. So what are we doing today?
Okay, basically we are doing two things.
Okay.
In our culture, as it pertains to marrying a wife.
Okay.
So first, there is one called Ikwangungu, which means providing for the wife.
For the wife.
So basically there are some things, including materials, clothing, even pants and bra.
Okay.
There are some others you will give to some people well wishers around you, like soap and all that. Then the main event, which is payment of the bride price. Yes.
Okay, all right. So tell us, how do you feel today?
Oh, I feel very happy.
All right.
I feel very happy.
Congratulations. All right. So tell us your name.
I'm
Well, it's basically for the traditional rights of my wife, who is a Cynthia, and you are in her father's compound. Mr. Lois Ugidi Chukwueze. So in Obo, in Opanku, in Aninri local government area.
All right. So tell us, how do you feel today?
Well, like every other person, I can say. Well, the feeling is good. It's good. I can't take away some, let's say, nostalgia that comes with the spending, but the feeling is good to be able to do take a woman home and then make it official in presence of your in-law, your parents, and to tell them that you have come of age.
Okay.
Really
Let me start this one. This is our middleman.
Yeah.
And the father also.
And
Yes,
the father
so,
also.
yes.
I hope you made.
My brother have handed over to me.
He has. Okay, very good. I hope as a middleman you made things very easy for us.
Very, very easy.
But we are the one that
Everything
came to marry.
Yeah.
Very easy, Abi.
Very, very easy. Very simple. This is the angel of the nation.
Okay.
My daughter is the angel of the world.
It's alright.
You can see nobody is like her.
It's alright.
More educated.
Thank you very much.
So I'm happy to give it to you people.
Thank
In
you.
any
very
course, I'm not collecting anything.
You're not collecting anything?
Just take good care of her.
No problem.
That is
No
fine.
problem. Congratulations.
So guys, we are currently in the bride's father's compound. Yes, these are the in-laws that came, the groom's parents, the relative. So as usual and as custom demand, they have been served and they have been entertained by their in-laws. Now officially they've moved outside for the official rite to commence. You know, now based on tradition, if you are from Igboland, you know, the in-law must welcome the groom's parents and entertain themselves before they commence the business of the day. So it's a nice experience. Stay tuned to see what unfolds as the payment of the bride price goes.
Ndogo mama no. Omume o. Asri ha o. Ba wa. Ha nwo. Ha double ya say la he nya ten. Kwano, Babanku Pazon, Emudo Kwano, Newe Kwano, Aninri Pazon, Obudumoso, Nkane. Obudumoso, Nkane. Mukele ndi Jerosi. Bia Olive Nhotia Pam Leka Obudumoso. Onye mbiari be sele do ama. Hello no. So no Lord. Ndi na enwe do moma. Ani do moma. Enugu state do moma. Obiri kwanu. Emudo Pazon. Nice one. Ogom I don't know what I'm saying. Bia. It's a minimum. One was 1 minute. Only Elechini. I was uncle. If the lamb one. I give it. Only go if it's a long one. Oh, if Fulana? Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Okay,
So guys, the bride price has been paid, and as the custom demand, the man is not selling his daughter, so they have to do some return back to the groom. So guys, as usual, the women wing has been, the umuadas have been settled, and you know what follows when settlement of the umuadas has come. It comes with a lot of celebration, dancing, drinking, and everything. So just watch this next clip and see the excitement in the air, knowing that the rite has been totally fulfilled, the bride price has been paid, and the umuadas has been specially settled for taking care of their daughter in the community.
Okay, see a man do it. Not see a man do it. Okay. That's a good one. Charlie? Oh, dance with you.
So my experience in this community was quite awesome. It was good to see a different method from what I am used to, and it's also, let it also be known that in Enugu State and in different communities they have special ways they do their payment of dowry. So what you are seeing in this clip is peculiar to Okpanku, and even in Okpanku community we also learned that they do it differently. If you are from Okpanku precisely, they have a different method. If you are from a neighboring community, there's a different method. If you are from outside Igboland entirely, there's a different method to which the payment of dowry is being done. So it was a good experience, and from what we experienced today, the list was in sessions, different sessions. You saw the bride displayed her stuffs outside, the part where the payment of dowry is also made, and there are some requirements for different clans within the community. All of those were part of the requirement and the list for the payment of dowry. So guys, that is it. It was an awesome experience. It was a great experience. So I really enjoyed myself in Okpanku community.
Okay, let's watch it.
Oh, no. It's a letras in your hand.
Stop that thing.
So guys, congratulations to the couples. We are anticipating the big day, and also stay tuned to this channel to see the wedding proper. This is just an in-house event. So if you are seeing this and you've not subscribed, please do well to click the subscribe button to anticipate their big day. Big congratulations to them. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. We appreciate your love for our channel. Indeed, we had a massive experience in Okpanku community, and it was nice being part of this traditional rite in Okpanku community. So guys, stay tuned. We'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye.